Namaste, my name is Christina. I just completed my 100 hours Ashtanga teacher training and I had just amazing experience with this place. Nirvana Yoga Shala, amazing guys, teachers. I want to mention my teacher. We had beautiful, safe classes with Kartik, Pranayama teacher Nandish, amazing teacher, yoga philosophy, Majunat. Met so nice, beautiful people here. Amazing environment, food, fantastic food. Yeah, I wish. Also, I'm planning to complete my another 100 hours when I have a time. So definitely will come back to this place and advise everybody to come here.